one more thank you for Megan and Kaylin and Evan for your sweet little gifts that you sent. I love the butterfly magnets, Evan, and beautiful key ring. Kaylin, is that your artwork? I love the colors. And the playing cards, Megan, you will not believe this, but at the FAS Center in the play group, they were asking if I had any playing cards so they could play cards, and I didn't have any. Now I have playing cards, not only playing cards, but playing cards with butterflies on them. And I have a butterfly collection at my office. So all the butterflies that I get, I put at my office. And I have a filing cabinet where I have pictures of kids, and I'm going to use the magnets to hold the pictures of kids on my filing cabinet. Thank you very much. I'm going to send you a surprise. I'm going to order it online. And I told your mom what it is, but it's going to be a surprise, so you'll have to wait until it gets there. I hope it's something that you all enjoy playing with, okay? Bye.